way! .X family, I'm back. It's your boy Shady. We're here for another first impression. You know, I kind of like doing these things. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything I can work on, things you would want to see, improvements we can make over here at .X, because it would be greatly appreciated. We read all the comments and we want to make these the best viewing experience as possible. So this next item, I don't have a clue what it is. One of my coworkers said he has this cool thing. I know it has something to do with the Steam Deck, which we have. I played Halo 2 on it so far. I played a bunch of old games on it, and I cannot wait until I get my email so I can buy my personal one for sure. These things are 10 out of 10 for sure. Okay, so I don't know. So I don't know what this is, but it looks like some glasses, and he put this case, it says Nreal. It looks like a case for glasses. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Wait, no, wait, what? Nah, no way. These look futuristic as hell. So this is called Nreal Air. I guess this is supposed to make things AR. First off, when you look at these glasses, it's a lot going on with these glasses. You have a detachable wire hanging from it, which is USB-C. Everything is USB-C these days, which I don't have no complaints, USB-C. And then you have the lenses on here, but it's like lenses within lenses, which is crazy. It looks like it has speakers built into it also. Yeah, it has 2 speakers built into it. I want to try these. I want to try these right now. Okay, wait, okay. So we're gonna plug this into the Steam Deck. Mind you, I've never seen this thing, so I don't know what I'm about to experience. So plug it in. I don't know what I'm about to experience. Turn it on. What? No way! Oh shit! Yo! No! Bro! No, dude. No, bro. This is next level. This is next. Okay. Okay. Wait. Oh my God. This is sick. This is fucking sick. Okay. I am seeing the game. Wherever I look, I can see the game. I can look this way and play the game. I'm literally playing the game right now. Oh my God. I think this is Mad Max. I'm playing Mad Max right now. This is crazy. Bro, and like, I can see the game. Like, no matter what I do, I can see the game. And I'm playing Mad Max right now. Not even looking, I'm not looking at the Steam Deck. I'm literally looking through the glasses. Anywhere I look, left, right, up, down, the game is there. And this is sick. Nope, I have to get one of these. I have to get one of these. I have to get one of these. And I can hear the game through the glasses. I'm shook right now. I'm like shaking, I think, bro. Like, I'm such a nerd, bro. I'm like shaking right now. This is the coolest thing I've ever, this is fucking cool. This is cool. This is crazy. So I guess whatever I'm playing on Steam Deck, I can use the glasses, and the glasses turn into my monitor. It's like a bro. That was cool. That's cool. The company is called Nreal. Check them out and just buy it. Like, for real, like, just buy it. Bro, I could be literally on the toilet taking a dump and be just on my Steam Deck, like, looking around, bro, and like, I'm mind blown right now. Wow. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Wow.